Forisurar. Security in digital currencies, steps to protect your assets. Securing digital currencies in today's high-risk environment is essential as their value and popularity continue to rise, attracting new methods of theft from hackers and cyber criminals. Here are key steps to safely maintain your digital assets. 1. Choosing the right wallet. Hardware wallets. These are the most secure option for storing significant amounts of digital currency as they are stored offline and immune to hacking. Software wallets. Suitable for storing small amounts or for everyday use. Choose reputable wallets with high security features. Exchanges. Avoid keeping large amounts of digital currencies on exchanges for long-term storage. Use them only for necessary trading amounts. 2. Securing your wallet. Recovery. Phrase. Safely store your recovery phrase offline. This phrase is essential for recovering your funds in case your wallet is lost or damaged. Strong password. Use a strong and unique password for your wallet. Avoid sharing your password with others. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA to add an extra layer of security to access your wallet. 3. Beware of scams. Phishing. Never disclose sensitive information in response to suspicious emails or websites claiming to be legitimate. Ponzi schemes. Be cautious of unrealistic and high-return promises. Conduct thorough research before investing. Fake applications. When downloading software or wallets, be wary of fake websites. Only download from official and reputable sources. 4. General security measures. Antivirus and anti-malware software. Use robust antivirus and anti-malware software to protect your devices from malware and viruses. Updates. Keep your operating system and software up to date to benefit from the latest security patches. Safe browsing habits. Avoid clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. 5. Awareness and education. Educate yourself. Learn about the risks and security solutions in the world of digital currencies. Use reliable resources. Use reputable and up-to-date sources for information and education on digital currency security. Remember, there is no 100% secure method for storing digital currencies. However, by following the above guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risk of losing your assets.